Hi there, my name is Felix. I'm a mobile and game developer experienced in both iOS and Unity game development. A few prerequisites for this course. It's advised that you have some basic programming prior. It's also advised that you are familiar with the Swift programming language and have done some iOS development. Who's this course for? This course is geared for both the novice and seasoned professional alike. For this course, you will require a device with an A9 processor. This is essentially an iPhone 6 and up, 27 iPads, and iPad Pros. As well, you will need to download Xcode 9 or greater. At the time of this recording, Xcode 9.1 was currently at a stable release. Throughout the introduction, we will give you a brief overview of what we will do throughout this course, as well as basic setup and quick primer to what augmented reality is. In section 2, we will make our very first AR app experience. This app is a simple app where you will create cubes on screen and remove them throughout. Section 3 takes section 2 one step further, as you will continue to put shapes on screen and take your AR skills to the next level. Section 4 has a unique and original augmented reality experience where you make a game and really take a deep dive into augmented reality. Section 5 allows us to further look beyond ARKit and explore third-party tools looking into Metal. Course goals. By the end of this course, you will be able to create augmented reality experiences of your own. You will be able to create and animate 3D objects on your camera. You will tackle sensor-based and computer vision-based AR. As well, you will have good familiarity with the ARKit API, as well as understanding ARKit within the context of Metal and Unity.